Happy Friday. We're gonna go fishing again. This guy always wants to go fishing, so we're gonna go fishing again. We're not gonna go to North Dakota because we have a lot of events this weekend. I cleaned all day just so that I can go with him. He doesn't care if I go or not, but I want it to be free, so I cleaned all day. But yeah, we're gonna go fishing. I think he said it was Prescott or something like that. Border of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Something like that. Past Hastings. I have never been there, so I don't know what to expect. I'm not sure what kind of fishes he's gonna go fish for, but we're gonna go, so we'll see. This is the first time I've seen this light turn red. Yeah. Oh, it's a pedestrian walking. That's pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna go. We did take our little Sunny. She's in the bag. Didn't want to leave her, so we did take her. Yeah, so go with us on our adventure. It is Friday. We do have a 3-day weekend. I actually had a 4-day weekend. I had today off, but I had to run a lot of errands, and now we're finally free. Tomorrow, I don't think we have anything planned. Sunday, all day, nothing, and then at night we gotta go help my auntie and them. And then Monday is my cousin and his wife's party. So, yeah, come join us. We're in Prescott. It's pretty here. It's so nice. I'm under the shade. Và cô lúc trong vậy về nó tốt thế. Cô lúc làm nhỏ. Cô trong vậy về. Man, I guess this is how you become a supportive wife. I came to be a supportive wife today. This is where we are. He'd rather be in North Dakota, but we can't afford the trip right now. So here we are. So pretty though. Sunny! Sunny! You like being here with Daddy? This is her second fishing trip. I think she's getting used to it now.
We're trying out different spots, so hopefully better.
Yeah, I thought Prescott go ahead and the there, but he's like, nobody's even catching any fishes, so there's no point. But it is very pretty though. It's very pretty here. And it's super busy here too. Yeah, the town is pretty. They're busy here. They have all the places to eat, liquor store, bars, tons tons of different places here, which is really nice. But then we're just here to find fish for this guy. So we're moving on to our next destination. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere about 10-15 minutes away from here. So cute. Yeah, I'm holding her. It's only 10-15 minutes, so I'm gonna hold her on the way here. Nana, hi. You like coming fishing with Daddy? You like coming fishing with Daddy? Huh? Yeah. I think these are my only getaway time. So whenever my husband goes, I think I'm gonna go with him from now on. Right, honey? Yeah. Because usually whenever he goes fishing, I just stay home. But they won't go crazy if I keep staying home. So wherever he go, I go too, and my nana go too. My sonny go too. They're so cute. So cute, my boo. So cute. 와, 저거 됐다리요. 와우. 또 네이크. Tôi này thì cổ chia thì sao tôi ít số mồm cổ bởi cho cô không cổ đừng có tật tà. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Tựa chưa chỉ theo nhỏ y lệnh tu xía lần cho ra ngầu từ lò khó xía. Destination, so I think he wants to fish somewhere. It just looks flooded. It doesn't even look like it's fishable. Well, it's flooded really bad. These trees. Are you sure you can fish here? You sure could park here?
san chỉ có đuổi rong gì.
Sunny. Uh-oh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Daddy over there. Go, Daddy. Go. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Tao chế li kẻ ư cho cá mù chế lờ lơ. Anh nói chế là cho
tôi khởi chỉ say ha.
Tôi say xỉn xưa hỏi nó. Chế ư tôi thầu lúc nung nhau xí xía, bao giờ cho nó chế lúc nung tôi bông khò luôn, tôi bông khò chế, lúc tôi chỉ sống cao rồi. Nên nó chỉ tao chơi cái của chị ôi xí thay nữ cái của chị nhau chơi có trong tập to cơ, tại vì nó tôi giống câu cơ chơi để cho chân tông nó đi tài để chỉ bảo nó tôi giống câu rồi, tôi giống câu cơ có liền, cái bà ta hãy lo để nên nó chỉ tao chơi cái chỉ to là bé quý cái nên chỉ lấy to luôn, tại khi mà chị này ôi tôi chỉ chơi trong một chơi luôn. Yeah. And nó có dành nephew tôi có mà cho là mày. Dành nephew tôi in the next 2-3 weeks nên chị làm áo bài là.
You take your car and go or?
Yeah, you can. Wow, trong cô ta ta. Ông chị nó tứ有做做梦，chị cũng muốn chị có mong nó bảo tôi đây không. Tôi sẽ mong tới cái để thông là về tôi không sao chỉ có một trong tôi thấy tôi không mua. Yeah, nó chỉ tới học nằm ở historical area so. Trong tôi thấy một chế.
No, no car.
Xa nhỏ tì tì nơi có xuống bia, xa lưng xa miền nghe có tuôn xìa, xa bùa có chia trao hậu cô lúa xuống bia. Cô tua nhỏ to con đây đời nó, chả có chỉ tua lìa ta.
Passing by the Red Wing Airport. It's a very, very tiny airport, but super cute. It's right here. You guys can see the light flashing. Just zoom in. There you go.
Sai yên chỉ lo chúa gió sóng đông, sai hậu á lo chúa gió ra trời. Sai sao buồn chua là chua gió chúa có tư rong xuyên tra tu chia sao có lu xia lời thi chỉ tua là gió trâu khua có thi chỉ tao tua chúa do tỷ lý cha lưng mùa có thiên lý chỉ toàn chỉ cô cú thon chỉ có qua rầu khơi choวันนี้ก็น้อยอยู่มองทอลัวสายล่อลูรองเท้าก็ชอสาตัวต่อเต็มจริงใจมัวจอkhông khơi qua ư xin trái mối xin